Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by opening settings and finding languages and input right away. Once done, tap System if you don't see it, then choose Languages and Input. Make sure you locate Virtual Keyboard or On-Screen Keyboard next. That section controls both Google Voice Typing and installed keyboards. You're starting the process now to replace voice input with a physical or software keyboard. This step ensures you can see Google Voice Typing listed, and the keyboard options available to switch to immediately. You'll tap the Google Voice Typing entry under Virtual Keyboard. This reveals voice input controls. Once visible, turn off the Use Voice Typing toggle to prevent automatic mic prompts. Alternatively, select Default Keyboard and pick Gboard or another keyboard you installed. That sets the keyboard as primary. If the keyboard you want isn't listed, install it from the Play Store, then return and enable it under Manage Keyboards. Doing this changes input behavior system-wide. Now set the default keyboard to the keyboard you prefer so it appears whenever you tap a text field. Once set, test the change by opening Messages or Notes and tapping a field. You should see the keyboard instead of a microphone. If it still triggers voice typing, reboot your phone, clear the keyboard app cache, or disable Google Voice Typing fully in the Manage Keyboards area. If problems persist, make sure the keyboard app has input permissions and reinstall it if necessary.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.